In today's video, we're diving into a hotly debated topic: the potential ban on gas cars. While proponents argue that this move could significantly reduce air pollution and promote cleaner cities, critics raise concerns about the economic impacts on the traditional auto industry and the challenges of transitioning to electric vehicles. We'll explore the infrastructure needs for EVs, the environmental implications of battery production, and the increasing demand for renewable energy. Join us as we investigate whether banning gas cars is truly a solution for a sustainable future or a disaster waiting to happen. 1. Reduction of air pollution. Banning gas cars is often seen as a major step forward in reducing air pollution. Gas-powered vehicles emit a significant amount of harmful pollutants, including carbon monoxide and nitrogen oxides, which contribute to poor air quality. In urban areas, where traffic congestion is a common issue, these emissions can lead to smog, affecting public health. By removing gas cars from the roads, cities can breathe easier, quite literally. Improved air quality means fewer respiratory problems for residents, which can lead to a healthier population overall. Cleaner air also benefits the environment, contributing to the fight against climate change. This potential for a healthier planet makes the idea of banning gas cars appealing to many. 2. Infrastructure challenges for EVs. Transitioning to electric vehicles, EVs, isn't as simple as swapping one car for another. It requires a robust charging infrastructure. Currently, many areas lack the necessary charging stations, making it difficult for EV owners to travel long distances. Building this infrastructure requires substantial investment, both in terms of money and time. Governments and private companies must work together to install charging stations in convenient locations, such as parking lots and highways. Without these stations, the practicality of owning an EV diminishes. Additionally, the grid must be capable of handling increased electricity demand, which may require further updates and investments. These challenges must be addressed to make the transition to EVs seamless. 3. Economic impact on traditional auto industry. The auto industry has long been a cornerstone of the economy, providing jobs to millions. Banning gas cars could have a significant economic impact, particularly on workers and suppliers in the traditional auto sector. A sudden shift away from gas vehicles might lead to job losses, as factories retool for EV production. This transition period could be difficult for those who have spent their careers in the industry. Suppliers, who have developed parts specifically for gas engines, may also face challenges adapting to new demands. While new jobs in the EV sector may eventually arise, the short-term impact could be harsh for many families dependent on the traditional auto industry. 4. Battery production environmental concerns. While EVs offer a cleaner alternative to gas cars on the road, their production isn't without environmental concerns. The batteries that power EVs require significant resources, often extracted through mining. Mining practices can be harmful to the environment, leading to deforestation and water pollution. Additionally, the manufacturing process involves chemicals that can have adverse environmental effects. As the demand for EVs grows, so does the need for sustainable and ethical battery production practices. Companies and governments must invest in research to develop greener battery technologies and improve recycling processes. Without addressing these concerns, the environmental benefits of EVs could be undermined. 5. Increased demand for renewable energy. As more people switch to electric vehicles, the demand for electricity will rise sharply. To ensure that EVs are truly environmentally friendly, this electricity must come from renewable sources. Relying on fossil fuels to generate the extra power needed would negate many of the benefits of banning gas cars. Countries must invest in renewable energy infrastructure, such as solar and wind power, to meet this increased demand. Building a robust renewable energy grid will take time and resources, but it's crucial for a sustainable future. By focusing on renewables, the transition to EVs can support broader climate goals and reduce reliance on non-renewable energy sources. 6. Accessibility and affordability of EVs. Electric vehicles are often more expensive than their gas-powered counterparts, raising concerns about accessibility, especially for low-income families. While the cost of EVs is gradually decreasing as technology improves, the initial price tag remains a barrier for many. Incentives and subsidies could help make EVs more affordable, but these solutions aren't always available or sufficient. Additionally, the availability of affordable models is limited in some regions, further complicating accessibility. Ensuring that EVs are within reach for all income levels is crucial if banning gas cars is to be a fair and equitable solution. Without addressing these affordability issues, the transition could disproportionately affect those already struggling financially. 7. Potential for improved urban planning. The removal of gas cars from city streets opens up exciting possibilities for urban planning. With fewer vehicles on the road, cities can focus on designing more pedestrian-friendly spaces. This could lead to more walkable cities, with wider sidewalks, bike lanes, and public parks. Reduced traffic congestion would also improve the quality of life for urban residents, making city living more enjoyable. By prioritizing public transportation in green spaces, cities can become more sustainable and vibrant. The shift away from gas cars could be an opportunity to rethink how urban areas are structured, creating environments that prioritize people over vehicles.